Hi guys, welcome to Tiflydesigns. Today we're doing Halloween card number 4 and we use the Hocus Pocus stamp set from the Green Farm. I love the images on this stamp set and I chose my cute little witch here in the corner and I stamped her on some white cardstock and we're gonna color her up using some very inexpensive markers that I got on Amazon and trying to figure them out and stuff and see how they blend and all that good stuff. So here we go. once we're done with our coloring, you know what we do best, and that's fussy cut. So we're gonna cut our image out. And at first I had stamped my sentiment on the same piece of white cardstock, but I ended up not using that sentiment and white embossed the same sentiment on some black cardstock. For our background, we're using a paper pad from Whimsy Stamps, and it's called Vampire. And I cut out this one with the moon image, yellow moon. And I'm using a stamp from the same stamp set, and it's a stamp of a bat. And I'm stamped a bunch of them in the scene. And when you use pattern paper in your background or anything, there's no law that says you have to leave it as is. So you can add color, you can add other images, you can just spruce it up a little. And that's what I'm doing. I add the bats, and since it's a glossy paper, I use some permanent black marker to color the bats. Then we use some clear tumble glue to add to adhere our image and our sentiment, and finish off the card by adding it to a black card base. Then I decided to spruce up the scene a little and I should have done this before I put the card together. It was a good thing that my card base is black, so I'm adding some black soot, distress ink, around the front of the card, just to spruce it up a little. And I'm not being too particular about blending the color, because it is a sky, so you have clouds that look darker, look out of shape, all that good stuff. So I just add some color around the perimeter. I think I need to buy me some new dabbers for my inks, the little ones that you put on your finger that I'm using right now. It looks like once you don't use them for a while, they dried out, and I don't use them really often. So because I need some new ones. But anyway, that's it. That's for the card for today. I want to thank you guys for subscribing, for commenting, for liking, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you. Bye.